In this video, we're going to be determining the number of solutions to a system of equations without graphing. And they give us a box reminding us of what we learned in the last module, and we're going to use this to answer the questions that they ask in this module. In 1, they say, without graphing, find the number of solutions of each system of equations. In A, we have L1 is 2.8x plus 0.7y is equal to 0.1. And for L2, we have 0.04x plus 0.01y is equal to negative 0.06. So the first thing they want us to do is write both of the lines in slope-intercept form. So we're going to solve both of them for y. And we have 2.8x plus 0.7y is equal to 0.1. So the first thing we're going to do is subtract 2.8x from both sides. So I have 0.7y is equal to negative 2.8x plus 0.1. And now we're going to divide both sides by 0.7. So we have y is equal to negative 4x plus 1/7. So we can say the slope for L1 is negative 4. And the y-intercept for L1 is equal to 1/7. And now for L2, we're going to put it in slope-intercept form as well. So we have 0.04x plus 0.01y is equal to negative 0.06. And now we're going to subtract 0.04x from both sides. So we have 0.01y is equal to negative 0.04x minus 0.06. And now we're going to divide both sides by 0.01. So we have y is equal to negative 4x minus 6. So the slope for L2 is equal to negative 4. And the y-intercept for L2 is equal to negative 6. And now they ask us to compare the slopes and the y-intercepts. And we can see that the slopes are the same. So m of L1 is equal to m of L2. And we can also see that our y-intercepts are different. So we can say that b of L1 is not equal to b of L2. And now they ask, do the lines intersect? Are they parallel or do they coincide? And if we look back up into our box, we have the same slope and different y-intercepts. So that means we have a parallel line. So we have parallel. And then it asks how many solutions are there. And if we have parallel lines, we have no solution. In B, L1 is equal to y minus 5/2 x is equal to negative 2. And for L2, we have 3/4 x minus 3/10 y is equal to 3/5. So to write L1 in slope-intercept form, we have y minus 5/2 x is equal to negative 2. And we're going to add 5/2 x to both sides. So y is equal to 5/2 x minus 2. So the slope of L1 is equal to 5/2. And the y-intercept for L1 is equal to negative 2. And now for L2, we have 3/4 x minus 3/10 y is equal to 3/5. So the first thing I'm going to do is add 3/10 y to both sides and subtract 3/5 from both sides. So I have 3/4 x minus 3/5 is equal to 3/10 y. And now I'm going to multiply both sides by 10/3. So I get y is equal to 3/4 times 10/3 is equal to 5/2. So I have 5/2 x. And negative 3/5 times 10/3 is negative 2. So now we can see that L2 is exactly the same line as L1. So our slope of L2 is equal to 5/2. And our y-intercept of L2 is equal to negative 2. And now they want us to compare the slopes and the y-intercepts. And the slopes and the y-intercepts are the same because we have the same lines. So m of L1 is equal to m of L2, and b of L1 is equal to b of L2. And because they're the same lines, we have coinciding lines, so we can say that they coincide. And now they ask how many solutions are there. And if we have coinciding lines, then we have infinite number of solutions. And that's all for this video on determining the number of solutions to a system of equations without graphing.